Good morning, class 9. Welcome back to our online session. We were in chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So, I hope you have solved the questions of exercise 12.1. Today, we will discuss some questions of exercise 12.2, where we will be applying Heron's formula in finding the area of certain quadrilaterals. So, question number 2 says, find the area of quadrilateral ABCD whose sides AB 3 cm, BC 4, CD 4, DA 5 cm, and one of the diagonals AC is given as 5 centimeters. So here are the dimensions. So area of this quadrilateral is simple. Area of triangle ABC, triangle number 1 plus this triangle number 2. We'll find the area of these two triangles, right? And we'll add those areas. It will give us the area of parallelogram. So in triangle ABC, S semi-perimeter 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12 upon 2 is 6. So area of triangle ABC is under root S into S minus A, 6 minus 3 is 3, into S minus B, 6 minus 4 is 2, into S minus C, 6 minus 5 is 1. So 6 3s are 18 into 2, 36, square root is 6 centimeter square. This is area of triangle ABC. Now in triangle ACD, semi-perimeter, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. S is 7. Now area of triangle ACD is under root S into S minus A, 7 minus 5, 2, into 7 minus 5, 2, into 7 minus 4, 3. So 2 into 2, 2 square. This comes out of the square root, becomes 2. And 7 into 3, 21, under root 21 centimeter square. This is the area of second triangle. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to sum of the areas of both the triangles. That is 6 plus 2 under root 21 centimeter square. Understood? So this is how we will solve question number 2. Let's move on to another question. Question number 4. The question says, a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area if the sides of the triangle are 26 centimeters, 28 centimeters and 30 centimeters. And the base of the parallelogram is 28 centimeters. So let us consider the base of the triangle as 28 and also the base of parallelogram as 28. centimeter, one of the sides of the triangle, another side say 26 centimeters, third side 30 centimeters. On the same base, we have a parallelogram. On the same base, we have a parallelogram whose area is equal to area of triangle. We don't know the height. Okay, we don't know. The question says we have to find the height of the parallelogram. Find the height of the parallelogram. So first we will find the area of triangle. Using this, because area of triangle is, question says area of triangle and area of parallelogram are equal. See children, there is a theorem which we have not done in triangles. If a parallelogram and a triangle lie on the same base and between the same parallel lines, if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between same parallel lines, then the area of triangle will always be equal to half the area of parallelogram. Okay? Area parallelogram and triangle are on the same base and between same parallel lines in that condition. Okay? Now, whatever the area of this triangle is, same is the area of parallelogram. This is something different from the theorem. So first we will find the area of triangle. In triangle ABC, S is equal to semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter. So 14,1,584 upon 2, that is 42. Now area of triangle ABC, under root S into S minus A, 42 minus 28, 14 into S minus B, 42 minus 26 is 16 into S minus C, 42 minus 30 is 12. See children, 42 is 14 into 3 into 14 into 16. This 12 is 3 into 4. Now 14 into 14, 14 square comes out of the square root, becomes 14. Now 16 square root is 4. Now 4 square root of 4 is 2. 3 into 3, 3 square, its square root will be 3. So area of triangle is 14 into 4 into 2 into 3. Now this is the area of triangle. The question says area of parallelogram is also same and base of the parallelogram is 28. So we know that area of parallelogram is base into height. So area of parallelogram, base into height, we have base of the parallelogram is 28 into height we don't know, is equal to 14 into 4 into 2 into 3. So we need h is equal to 14 into 2, 28, cancel with 28, 4 into 3, 12 centimeters. So height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeters. Got it? So this is how you will solve question number 4. I hope you got the solution. Let's move on to another question where we have again the application of Heron's formula. A field is in the shape of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 centimeters and 10 centimeters. And non-parallel sides are 13 centimeters and 14 centimeters. We have to find the area of trapezium. Okay. Trapezium ABCD. Non-parallel sides are 10 centimeters and 25 centimeters. Non-parallel sides are 13 centimeters and 14 centimeters. Okay. Now I'll do one thing. From this C, I will draw a line parallel to AD. I'll take this point as E. So AECD becomes a parallelogram. So if this is 13, this is also 13. This is 10, this is also 10. Okay. Now this entire length is 25. So if AE is 10, BE will be 15 centimeters. Got it? Now in this triangle we have all the three sides, right? So we can use Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula we'll find the area of this triangle. So in triangle BCE, S is equal to 15 plus 13 is how much? 28 plus 14, 42 upon 2, that is 21. So S is 21. Now area of triangle ABC, area of triangle BCE, under root S into S minus A, 21 minus 15 is 6, 21 minus 14 is 7, 21 minus 13 is 8. So 21 can be written as 7 into 3, 6 is 3 into 2 into 7 into 8 is 4 into 2. Okay, now 7 into 7, 7 square ka square root, 7 multiplied by 3 into 3, 3 square ka square root, 3 multiplied by 2 into 2, 4 and 4, 16, square root is 4. 84 centimeter square. This is the area of triangle BCE. Now using this area we can find height of this triangle. Why do we need height? Because the area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides multiplied by height, or the distance between parallel sides. So for the area of trapezium we need height, and we can find height from this triangle. So we know that area of triangle is half into base into height. Half into base. Base is 15 into this height h is equal to how much? 84. So h is equal to 84 into 2. 84 into 2 is 168 divided by 15. 11.2 centimeters. So we got the height of this trapezium as 11.2 centimeters. You got the height. Now area of trapezium ABCD. Half into sum of the parallel sides 25 plus 10 35 into distance between them height is 11.2. Got it? So this becomes 35 into 11.2 divided by 2, 5.6. So 35 into 5.6, you will get 196. That is the area of this trapezium. Understood, children? So in these questions we have applied Heron's formula. We do not have to find directly the area of triangle. So you may have questions in the examinations where application of a particular formula or application of a particular theorem will be given. So application based questions are important when it comes to mathematics, right? So try to solve the other questions of exercise 12.2. We shall discuss the next chapter in the next class.